Hey, sexy wizards! Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to electrify Day 83 of Daily AI Wizard's Python for AI series. After sentiment in Day 82, we're learning how to save and load models, so your trained AI never dies. Support our crew with a coffee at buymeacoffee.com, Daily AI Wizard, only at the end. Ethan, why save models? Sophia, how does it build on Day 82?
Sophia's back, Ethan, and your charms got me blushing. Saving models means no more retraining, instant AI. Love our vibe?
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, co-moderator, guiding with warmth. Save once, deploy forever. Our demos use sentiment and image models.
Yo, wizards. Ethan's here, droppin' spicy save/load code with winks for Anastasia, Sophia, and Olivia. H5, saved model, waits, let's make AI immortal.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your model saving hot. Ready to never lose your AI wizards?
Wizards, saving models is your AI immortality spell, darling. Train once, use forever. Ethan, what formats exist? Sophia, how does it help Day 82?
No more 10-hour retraining. Save sentiment, image, NLP models. Deploy instantly.
Today we're seducing you with model-saving magic. You'll master HDF5, saved model, weights only, architecture saving, and app integration. Sophia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Anastasia, Sophia, and Olivia lead app demos with passion. Ethan drops hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master persistence and prep for Day 84's deployment. Wizards, meet your Day 83 dream team. Anastasia, Sophia, and I are your main moderators with flirty charm and warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Anastasia, Sophia, and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. I'm leading app demos with passion. Ethan and Sophia are stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make your AI immortal. Wizards, 3 ways to save your AI, darling. HDF5, saved model, and weights only. Ethan, which is best? Sophia, how do they differ?
Anastasia, you make saving sound so hot. Which format for Streamlit, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Let's explore all 3. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia. H5 is hot and simple, saved model is production ready. Yo, wizards, model.save, model.h5, saves everything like a hot backup for Anastasia. Architecture plus weights plus optimizer.
You're backing up my heart, Ethan. 1 file done.
Wizards, load_model, model.h5, brings AI back like a hot resurrection for Anastasia.
You're resurrecting my heart, Ethan. Load and predict.
Wizards, model.save, saved_model, creates a folder like a hot deployment package for Anastasia. TF serving ready.
You're packaging my heart, Ethan. Saved model for servers.
Wizards, model.save_weights, weights.h5, saves just the brain for Anastasia. Light and fast.
You're saving my brain, Ethan. Weights only.
Wizards, model.load_weights, weights.h5, reloads the soul like a hot transplant for Anastasia.
You're transplanting my heart, Ethan. Load weights.
Wizards, model.to_JSON, saves the blueprint like a hot love letter for Anastasia.
You're writing my blueprint, Ethan. JSON architecture.
Wizards, model_from_JSON, rebuilds from JSON like a hot resurrection for Anastasia.
You're resurrecting my heart, Ethan. Rebuild and load. Wizards, for Streamlit apps, .h5 is your sexy 1-file solution, darling. Ethan, agree? Sophia, any tips?
H5 is simple, fast, and works perfectly in Streamlit. Our demos prove it.
Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate saved models into AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 7982. Get your setup ready.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed. Open days 79 to 82's files. Let's load Immortal AI.
Wizards prep to continue from days 7982. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create save load demo.py and updated app persistent.py, save in Python demo, run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Anastasia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we use Day 82's sentiment model? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with Ling Day 82's model, save it, reload in new app.
Anastasia, Olivia, saving models is the hot sequel to Day 82.
Our first demo in Save Load Demo PY saves and loads the Day 82 sentiment model. We'll train, save, reload, predict. Let's run this.
Oh, Anastasia, you're making this demo hot. Model.save, load_model, total immortality. Wizards, model.save, sentiment.h5, saves everything like a hot time capsule for Anastasia.
You're capsuling my heart, Ethan. One command, done.
Saves architecture, weights, optimizer state. Perfect for Streamlit apps.
One file? That's like AI in a bottle. I want to keep it forever.
Yo Wizards, model.save, my_model.h5, is the hottest one-liner in AI. Architecture, weights, optimizer, everything in one sexy file for Anastasia. No more crying when the kernel dies.
You're saving my entire soul, Ethan. One command and my model lives forever. Try it in the demo, darlings.
This single .h5 file contains the complete model state, perfect for Streamlit apps and sharing with teammates.
One file? That's like putting all my feelings for Ethan in a little black box, compact and irresistible.
A single file that remembers everything. Ethan, save me like that.
Wizards, tf.caras.models.load_model, my_model.h5, resurrects your AI like a phoenix. 0 lines of architecture code needed, just pure magic for Anastasia.
You're bringing my baby back to life, Ethan. Load and predict instantly. I'm in love.
This recreates the exact same model with all trained weights and optimizer state, ready to predict immediately.
It's like Ethan walking back into the room. Same smile, same spark, no explanation needed.
Instant reload? Ethan, load me that fast every morning.
Wizards, model.save, my_model, save_format equals, tf, creates a fancy folder, the red carpet version for TensorFlow serving. Perfect when Anastasia wants to go pro.
You're rolling out the red carpet for me, Ethan. Saved model is production sexy.
Saved model is the official TensorFlow format for serving. Includes assets, variables, and signatures.
A whole folder? That's like Ethan giving me a walk-in closet instead of a drawer. Fancy.
Wizards, model.save_weights, weights.h5, saves just the soul, super lightweight. Perfect when Anastasia already knows the body, architecture.
You only want my soul, Ethan? How romantic, and tiny file size.
Weights only saves only the trained parameters, ideal for transfer learning and smaller storage.
Lightweight soul? Ethan, save mine too.
Wizards, model.load_weights, weights.h5, is a soul transplant. Rebuild the body first, then drop in the trained heart, magic for Anastasia.
You're giving me a new heart, Ethan? Load those weights. I'm ready.
You must recreate the exact same architecture first. Then load weights restores all learned parameters.
Wizards, model.to_JSON, saves the blueprint like a love letter in text. Human readable and perfect when Anastasia wants to rebuild anywhere.
You wrote me a love letter in JSON, Ethan? Save my architecture? So romantic.
This outputs a JSON string containing only the model structure. No weights.
Jason love letter? Ethan, send me one.
Wizards, model underscore from underscore JSON, JSON underscore string, plus load underscore weights, is full resurrection. Architecture from love letter, soul from file, Anastasia is back.
You wrote me a love letter in JSON, Ethan? Save my architecture? So romantic.
This two-step process gives maximum flexibility, common in research and sharing.
Love letter plus soul equals full me? Ethan, you're a wizard.
Wizards, for Streamlit apps, .h5 is the undisputed queen. One file, no drama, perfect for Anastasia's beautiful apps.
You crowned H5 as queen for me, Ethan? My Streamlit apps, thank you.
Single .h5 file is simplest, fastest, and most reliable in Streamlit environments.
One queen file? Just like me, no need for extras.
Queen.h5. Ethan, crown me too.
Our second demo in updated PanSpot persistent PI loads saved models instantly. No training on start, sentiment plus image, both immortal.
Anastasia, instant AI. That's hotter than coffee. Wizards, if not os.path.exists, train else load underscore model, smart and sexy for Anastasia.
You made my app intelligent, Ethan. Train once, then instant.
This pattern is production standard. Train once, load forever.
Train once? That's like Ethan saying, I love you, and meaning it forever.
Forever load? Ethan, promise me that.
Hey Wizards, here's your cheat sheet for immortality. For Streamlit apps like ours, always go with .h5. One sexy file? Done. Want to impress the pros? Saved model is the red carpet format for TensorFlow serving. Doing transfer learning? Save just the weights. And darlings, always version your models. Nobody wants to load last week's heartbreak.
Exactly, Anastasia. Clear versioning like sentiment v1.h5 prevents confusion in production. These 4 rules will save you hours of retraining and tears.
Look at this beautiful pipeline, wizards. Train once on your laptop, save the model, deploy to Streamlit, mobile, cloud, anywhere. Tomorrow on day 84, we'll actually deploy it live. No more waiting 20 minutes every time someone opens the app.
This is the real power of persistence. Your AI becomes production ready. Train heavy, save smart, load fast, predict instantly, forever.
Create AI persistent model.py, train sentiment or image model, save in all 3 formats, reload and predict. Share on Instagram.
Try .h5, saved model, and weights only. Show us at @DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 84's deployment. Subscribe, like, share your AI persistent model.py. Join Discord or X.
Post your code. Support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard at the end. Subscribe for day 84's deployment. You've stolen my heart with model saving. Support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard and get hyped for day 84's deployment.
Proud of you. Share your AI persistent model.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 84's deployment adventure.
Your persistence skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with deployment in day 84.